how to change your PayPal name. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to change your username and your nickname on PayPal. Okay, and then to do so, I will do this on my Windows desktop and my Brave browser, but you can always do so on your other browser or other OSs as well. To proceed, as usual, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, and without further ado, let's go. You need to log into your PayPal, and then from the PayPal dashboard, just click on the settings page. It's usually on the top right next to the logout. Click on it, you will be presented with the dashboard or a settings screen, and then from there, if you wanted to change your name, just click on change name. There will be three options that PayPal will suggest to you. So first off is to change your legal name if you are somehow just recently married or recently divorced, or you just renew your birth certificate for some reason. And the second one is just to update your name if you have if you were previously used your stage name or your nickname for PayPal. And the first option, to do so, to update your legal name, you need to provide a few documents. Depends on your country, of course. On my country, it will be a few documents that is needed is our marriage certificate, a certificate of divorce, or a deed poll, or your birth certificate. PayPal will usually verify it on a week or no faster than 3 days. The second option is just to update your name if you were previously using your nickname or something. The prerequisites or the requirements for the documents are the same basically, and PayPal needed to review it first. Okay, and the third option and the final option is just to make minor corrections, and this one can be done immediately. Just click on it, and for instance, I will change mine and add a letter to my name. For instance, you need to edit your first and last name, and don't forget to tick on the checkbox of I'd like to update my name, and once you're done, just update your name. In this tutorial, I will not change my name, so I will choose cancel, and once you're done, your name should be changed immediately on the settings page on PayPal. Okay, and that's pretty much how you change your name on PayPal. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have more suggestions, you want more topics to be covered on Tech Tricks, then please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care. Goodbye.